What if you could double your harvest without chemicals, expensive fertilizers, or modern machinery? The Amish have mastered sustainable farming for generations, producing abundant crops using time-tested planting methods. In this video, we'll uncover 20 powerful plants the Amish use to boost growth, repel pests, and enrich the soil naturally. Secrets you can use in your own garden. Stay tuned until the end for a powerful Amish soil secret that supercharges plant growth. The key to a bountiful harvest starts with healthy soil. Instead of synthetic fertilizers, the Amish plant these 5 natural soil boosters. 1. Clover fixes nitrogen in the soil, reducing the need for fertilizers. Used as a ground cover to suppress weeds and prevent erosion. 2. Alfalfa deep roots pull nutrients from lower soil layers. Its leaves decompose into a rich natural compost. 3. Comfrey, a favorite fertilizer plant. Its leaves break down into a nutrient-rich mulch, encourages earthworm activity, improving soil aeration. 4. Buckwheat, fast-growing cover crop that shades out we attracts pollinators while loosening compacted soil. 5. Daikon radish acts as a natural tiller, breaking up hard soil. Its decaying roots feed essential microorganisms. These plants rebuild soil fertility, ensuring crops grow stronger and faster every season. Why use chemical pesticides when nature provides the perfect defense? The Amish use these plants to repel pests naturally. 6. Marigolds. Their scent deters nematodes, aphids, and beetles. Planted near tomatoes, beans, and cucumbers for extra protection. 7. Basil repels mosquitoes, whiteflies, and tomato hornworms. Improves the flavor of tomatoes when planted nearby. 8. Chives keeps away Japanese beetles, aphids, and mites. Its antifungal properties prevent plant diseases. 9. Garlic wards off deer, rabbits, and insects. A natural fungicide that helps prevent powdery mildew. 10th. Nasturtiums. A sacrificial trap crop, pests prefer it over vegetables. Repels cabbage moths, aphids, and squash bugs. These plants form a protective barrier, keeping crops safe and chemical-free. Companion planting is one of the biggest secrets to Amish farming success. These plant combinations enhance growth and reduce disease. 11. Corn, beans, and squash. The 3 sisters. Corn provides a natural trellis for beans. Beans fix nitrogen, feeding the soil. Squash shades the soil, preventing weeds. 12. Carrots and onions. Onions repel carrot flies, and carrots help loosen the soil. 13. Tomatoes and basil. Basil enhances tomato flavor while repelling hornworms. 14. Cucumbers and dill attracts beneficial insects that eat cucumber pests. 15. Cabbage and thyme. Thyme repels cabbage worms and loopers. Placing the right plants together boosts growth, flavor, and pest resistance. Pollinators like bees and butterflies increase crop yields by ensuring proper fruit and vegetable development. The Amish plant these to attract pollinators. 16. Sunflowers, a magnet for bees that helps nearby plants fruit better. 17. Lavender attracts bees while repelling mosquitoes and moths. 18. Borage improves fruit set in tomatoes, cucumbers, and squash. 19th. Echinacea, a beautiful pollinator-friendly plant with medicinal benefits. 20. Yarrow draws in ladybugs and hoverflies, which eat garden pests. With plenty of pollinators, your garden will produce more fruit and vegetables than ever. Before we wrap up, here's an ancient Amish soil secret that supercharges plant growth. Compost tea made by steeping compost in water for 24 to 48 hours. Acts as a natural liquid fertilizer packed with beneficial microbes. Boosts plant immunity, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. Just spray it on leaves or pour it into the soil and watch your garden explode with growth. Now you know 20 powerful plants the Amish use to double their harvest, plus their compost tea secret. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Frugal Solutions Hub for more gardening tips, frugal living hacks, and homesteading secrets. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.